What does an executor really do? Hi, I'm Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So this is going to be a two-part video. In the first part, we're going to give you the five top things that a executor must do in order to open an estate. And then next week, we're going to follow up with the next five most important things. So stay tuned. So number one, first off, what is the executor? Well, the executor is the person who's charged with the responsibility of marshaling your estate through the probate process, hopefully pursuant to a will that you've developed and had in place, but if not, in accordance with the laws of intestacy. So there are various steps that the executor needs to make. And when you're choosing a person to be your executor or personal representative, as we call them here in Maryland, you have to keep these steps in mind and whether or not that person fundamentally will be able to address them. So, number one, the first thing they have to do is obtain the death certificate of the deceased. That usually comes from the funeral home. We like to recommend to our clients that you get 10 originals, 10 to 15, when you order the death certificates. Number two, you need to locate the estate planning documents that the deceased hopefully had. Now, that may be a challenge. You need to look into whether or not they have a lockbox or a file box in their home, or maybe even a safe deposit box that presents more difficulties, or perhaps they registered their will at the aptly named Register of Wills in the county in which they resided at the time of their passing. But in any case, you need to look and find the originals preferably. Okay. Number three, contact an attorney now. Now that you've got the death certificates and now that you have the will, contact an attorney and determine whether or not you need help. Some people can do the whole probate process on their own, but many people like to have the assistance of an attorney. Number four, contact the life insurance and the retirement um, uh, fund benefactor benefit retirement benefit manager to determine if the deceased had life insurance or retirement benefits, and if so, file a claim. And then number five, contact the Social Security Administration and notify them of the death of the beneficiary. And again, you may be making a claim uh, for benefits on behalf of the surviving beneficiaries. So those are the top five things. Come back next week. We'll do the next five steps on what does an executor really do. And again, my name is Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.